All right, I'm going to do a quick video. This is the second part for Notes 30, and this is just going to go through these three problems for simplifying with negative exponents. So as a gentle reminder, negative exponents do not mean that you are going to have negative answers. So what you need to do is immediately rewrite this expression, right, with a positive exponent. So we're going to go ahead and put it in the denominator of a fraction with a positive power. And now that it's got a positive power, I know how to do that. So 3 to the third means I've got 3 times 3 times 3. So that's going to be 1 over 27. All right, and that's it. That's done. We can't reduce that or simplify it anymore. And the power is positive, so we're good with that. If I look at 2 to the negative 3, again, I'm going to do the exact same thing. So this is going to become 1 over 2 to the positive 3. So 2 to the third is 8, so that is going to be 1/8. All right, there's nothing else to do here with those two first ones. However, part C is going to get a little bit of a step up here because we are going to simplify 4 to the negative 2. We're going to simplify 3 to the negative 1, and then once I get those two, we're going to add them up. So 4 to the negative 2 becomes 1 over 4 squared. 3 to the negative 1 becomes 1 over 3 to the first. And then I'm going to simplify these, right? Actually apply the powers as needed. So 1 over 4 squared, well, 4 squared, 16. And 1 over 3 to the first is just 3. Now the negative exponents no longer matter, right, at all in the slightest. So what we're going to do next is just deal with adding fractions. So we're going to get a common denominator here of 48. That is the least common multiple for 16 and 3. To get from 16 to 48, you got to multiply by 3. So, of course, you got to do that to the numerator. To get from 3 to 48, you're going to multiply by 16. Do that to the numerator as well. So there's 16. So to finish this one off, you've got 3 over 48 plus 16 over 48. Just add the numerators. So 3 plus 16 makes 19. You are not going to be able to reduce that. I am going to do a quick rewrite on that 9 because that looked a little weird. There we go. So 19 over 48 is the final form, the final simplified answer for part C. All right, so there are the three parts, A, B, and C. Negative exponents, again, not a single one of these problems actually had a negative answer, but you did create some lovely fractions. All right, as always, let me know if you have any questions or concerns. Other than that, I will see you in the next one.